Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this look using the McGrath Subversive Eyeshadow palette. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So for eyeshadows today, I'm using the McGrath Labs Subversive Eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this shade here and I'm using that as my transition shade in the crease. So I bought this palette while I was in New York a few weeks ago, and I have been looking forward to buying this palette like for about 2 years, honestly. I absolutely love McGrath's work, and when I saw she had her own makeup line, I so wanted like something from it, but everything was so expensive, and I can see why, because this palette is just so amazing and the colours are just insane. So with this shade, I'm making sure to wing it right out to the end of the brow. As it's a matte shade, you really want to kind of map out the eye shape so that this is going to like kind of contour it. So I'm next stepping into the matte black shade in the palette, and I know this sounds super crazy to go in with a matte black shadow at this stage, but it works and it looks super cool. So we're going to take this shade here and I'm going to map out the kind of crease shade, and then I'm also going to bring it round and into the outer corner. So we're next taking a blending brush and I'm going to take that through the crease and just buff that edge. And because we're kind of like working this in, it then softens the black and you get a nice smooth blend. So now that we've got the colour all down, and it does look like we've got black eye, but honestly, trust the process, it will look good at the end. I'm next going to dip into the most beautiful goldy kind of green shade, I would say. And I'm taking that on a flat synthetic brush and I'm going to apply that right across the eyelid shape. Like, look at that shade, it is so lovely. Okay, so now that we've got that lovely gold shade on the eyelid, I'm next stepping back into the matte black shade, and I'm going in with that same pencil brush, and I'm ever so slightly just going round this outer corner, and this is just going to give the eye some more structure. So I'm next moving on to winged eyeliner, and to do that I'm using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. I absolutely love this liner, it's so good, and I absolutely just like choose it every time that I want to do a wing. So I'm going to use that and take it across the eyelid and right up to create that wing. So I quickly just jumped off camera and put on some lashes, and these are from Eylure and they're in the shape called I Heart This, and I have been wearing these lashes as well for quite a few weeks now. I think I actually took a pair with me to New York, so if you've seen any of my photos on Instagram, they were the lashes that I was wearing, and I really like them because they're super like kind of thick and spiky, and like you can see them, if you know what I mean, because I'm always wearing like winged eyeliner. That is like my favourite thing ever, like to do in a makeup kind of look. Like, because the eyeliner's black, you sometimes can't see lashes that are like quite thinly made, so these ones are like super spiky and you can see them when you look at them. Anyway, I'm just rambling on a whole load of crap. So I'm next going on to adding a little bit more black in that outer corner, and I'm also going to drag that underneath the eye as well. So also while I was in New York, every single corner you went round there was a Sephora, and I literally had to get dragged out of every single shop. I was like, I just couldn't believe how much makeup there was in that shop. I was like, oh, I'll just go in this one and see what else they have, or oh, they might have different things. Honestly, I just wanted to bring that whole shop home with me. It was just too good. So for highlighter, I'm using my favourite highlighter at the moment. This is the Anastasia, Beverly Hills and Amrezy collab, and the highlighter is absolutely stunning. So I'm going to use that on a Sigma F03 high cheekbone brush, and I'm just going to dust that on the tops of the cheekbones. So now that this look is coming together, I'm next just going to finish off with the lips, and I'm using the No. 7 Lip Precision Lip Liner. Then on top of that, I'm using the Sigma Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade called New Mod. And then on top of that, I'm using the Huda Beauty lip strobe, and this is in the shade called Enchanting. So that is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please remember to like and subscribe if you're new, and also comment below any video suggestions you'd like to see from me in the next coming weeks, and I'll definitely get filming them for you. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!